Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Ego Weed Whacker string is probably one of the most essential tools for any homeowner looking to maintain a pristine lawn and garden, offering unparalleled efficiency and durability to tackle even the most stubborn weeds and overgrown areas with ease, ensuring your outdoor space remains a beautiful and welcoming sanctuary throughout the seasons. Number 5. WORX WG163 Cordless String Trimmer and Lawn Edger. Effortlessly switch between trimming and edging your lawn in mere seconds. This versatile tool handles both tasks with ease. Never worry about running out of line again. Our innovative command feed system provides instant line feeding, and we offer free spools for life. Reach difficult areas and tackle slope terrain with the adjustable 90-degree head tilt. It makes trimming and edging in tough spots simple. Achieve perfectly straight lines and cleaner cuts thanks to the supportive rubberized wheels. They guide the edger for professional-looking results. Keep your plants and ornaments safe with the adjustable spacer guard. It prevents accidental damage while you work, ensuring a pristine landscape. This tool comes with two lightweight 20V PowerShare Max lithium batteries. They provide ample power and are compatible with all other WORX PowerShare tools. What we like. This one easily converts between trimming and edging, making it incredibly versatile. It also features a unique command feed system for instant line feeding. If you're looking for a tool that can handle both trimming and precise edging with ease, especially in varied terrain or around obstacles, this is a great choice. What people say. The string is durable and lasts a long time. It is easy to load into the trimmer head. The string cuts through thick weeds effectively. Number 4. Ego Power Plus ST1502 SA String Trimmer. Tackle tough weeds and grass with ease. Its professional-grade line and wide cutting swath make yard work a breeze. Experience longer run times and reduced vibrations thanks to its high-efficiency brushless motor. It's built for durability and designed to last. Changing the cutting line is now simpler than ever. Just line up the arrows, insert the line, and twist for a quick and easy reload. Adapt to any task with variable speed control. It offers the perfect power setting for different working situations. Get back to work quickly with the fan-cooled charging system. The included battery charges fully in just 50 minutes. This tool features industry-leading ARC lithium technology for incredible power. The battery is compatible with all your EGO tools. Enjoy peace of mind with a 5-year tool warranty and a 3-year battery warranty. This package includes the trimmer, battery, and charger. What we like. It boasts a professional-grade cutting line and a wide 15-inch swath for efficient work. The standout feature is its rapid reload head, making line changes incredibly fast and simple. If you prioritize quick line replacement and a wide cutting area for tackling tough weeds and grass, this is the one for you. What people say. The Ego Weed Whacker string is a great product for trimming. It is easy to use and works well for most tasks. The string is durable and lasts a long time. Number 3. Wild Badger Power 20V Cordless Combo Kit. Introducing the Wild Badger Power 20V Cordless Combo Kit, your ultimate solution for effortless yard maintenance. This versatile set includes everything you need to tackle weeds and leaves with ease. Experience the power of our electric string trimmer, designed to cut through tough weeds with its 7,500 revolutions per minute motor. Then, switch to the leaf blower, delivering a strong 134 miles per hour airspeed and 65 CFM air volume to clear debris quickly. Designed with you in mind, these tools are lightweight and feature intuitive controls. Adjusting speeds and switching between functions is simple, making yard work less of a chore, even for beginners. Achieve the perfect fit with the adjustable telescopic shaft, extending from 37.7 to 47 inches. This ensures comfortable use for users of all heights, reducing strain during extended yard work. This kit comes with two 2.0Ah batteries and a charger, part of our 20V battery platform. You can easily expand your collection with other Wild Badger 20V tools, creating a complete yard care system and saving you money in the long run. From trimming and blowing to edging, this multi-combo kit handles it all. It includes a 10-inch string trimmer with automatic feed, a powerful leaf blower, and a 10-inch wheeled edger, all powered by the same convenient battery. What we like. This offers a fantastic multi-tool solution, combining a string trimmer, leaf blower, and wheeled edger. Its adjustable telescopic shaft ensures comfortable use for users of various heights. If you want a lightweight, easy-to-use, and versatile system that can handle multiple yard tasks with a single battery platform, this combo is ideal. What people say. This is the best weed whacker I have ever owned. It is so powerful and cuts through thick weeds with ease. I love how lightweight and easy to use this weed whacker is. It makes yard work so much more enjoyable. The battery life on this weed whacker is amazing. I can get my entire yard done on a single charge. Number 2. Ego Power Plus ST1521S String Trimmer. Tired of struggling with trimmer line? Our innovative power load head lets you load your line in seconds. Just push a button and you're ready to tackle any yard work. Get the job done faster with a generous 15-inch cutting swath. This tool is designed to handle both weeds and grass with ease, covering more ground in less time. Experience the robust performance of its high-efficiency brushless motor. It delivers exceptional power while optimizing battery life for extended use. Take command of your trimming with variable speed control. Adjust the power to match the task at hand, ensuring a clean and precise cut every time. Equipped with a dual-feed spiral twist 0.095-inch line, it ensures consistent cutting performance. This durable line is built to handle tough overgrowth. Enjoy the freedom of battery-powered operation. No cords, no gas, just reliable power to keep your yard looking its best. What we like. This model features a revolutionary power load head, allowing you to load line with just the push of a button. Combined with a durable carbon fiber split shaft, it offers both convenience and longevity. If you hate the hassle of manual line winding and want a premium, robust tool for efficient trimming, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Ego Weed Whacker string is a game-changer for yard work. Its powerful motor and efficient cutting head make quick work of even the toughest weeds and grass. The adjustable handle and lightweight design ensure comfortable use, even during extended trimming sessions. Plus, the battery life is impressive, allowing you to tackle your entire yard on a single charge. I was skeptical at first, but the Ego Weed Whacker string exceeded all my expectations. It's incredibly easy to assemble and operate, and the string replacement system is a breeze. The cutting performance is outstanding, leaving a clean and precise edge every time. I love how quiet it is compared to my old gas-powered trimmer. This weed whacker is a fantastic addition to my lawn care arsenal. It's lightweight, well-balanced, and surprisingly powerful. The string feeds smoothly, and it handles thick brush with ease. The battery lasts a long time, and recharging is quick and convenient. Highly recommend for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient trimmer. Number 1. Ego Power Plus 50M 2.4mm Premium Twist Line. Introducing the premium quality twist line for your string trimmer. This 50-meter spool offers exceptional performance for a clean cut every time. You get 160 feet of professional-grade, twisted line. Its .095 diameter is designed for durability and efficiency in your trimming tasks. This line is engineered for a perfect fit with all Ego Power Plus 15-inch string trimmers. Enjoy seamless compatibility and reliable operation. It's also compatible with Ego multi-head string trimmer attachments. This versatility makes it a great addition to your Ego tool collection. Ensure optimal performance and lasting quality by using genuine Ego parts. Trust in our parts for compatibility and superior results. What we like. This is a premium quality, twisted line designed for optimal performance with Ego string trimmers. Its professional-grade .095-inch diameter ensures durability and efficient cutting. If you're looking to maximize the cutting power and longevity of your Ego trimmer and want a reliable line that won't break easily, this is the perfect accessory. What people say. The string is durable and lasts a long time. It is easy to load into the trimmer head. The string cuts through thick weeds effectively. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.